I'm Robin Clevitt. Welcome to the 101 uses of a multi-tool on tour. I'm in a bedroom, I've got to add another socket. We all need to plug our devices in, there's never enough sockets. Now, the electrician's going to pop by tomorrow and actually wire it up, but before he gets here, I'm going to go in the void and I'm going to check that there's no structural timber in the way to enable me to cut it out where I want it. I'll do the cutting out. I'm going to use a multi-tool for this. It's going to be a 44mm purple series blade. It's ideal for cutting through plasterboard, and if there's nails and wood, it's not a problem either. So I'm going to cut that in now, level it up from the one we've got to the left and get it done. So I reckon that this is a classic example of the perfect job for a multi-tool. So I'm using a 44mm blade which will coat with wood, nails and screws from the purple series, and it just cuts a perfect aperture. It's not like years ago we'd use a jab saw, we'd punch it through there and we'd saw through and it would leave a ragged edge on the back, and sometimes it would break out the plaster. Not in this case. We've got a perfect hole here. The electrician can come by tomorrow, wire it up, put his plasterboard back box in, fix his socket front on, and it will be absolutely perfect. Please check back soon to the 101 uses of a multi-tool.